let's talk about, I want to introduce the AITable.ai. It's just like it is a spreadsheet database and looks like a spreadsheet like what you see here. And it also can be played as just like Excel. As long as you know how to use Excel, you should know how to use AITable. You can just type, select the option, select the project phase here, like planning, select the time. It's quite intuitive. But what is different with the data, this Excel is, it is also indeed a database. You can just upload all the images, your files. You can just drag it like this bunch of the files. You can put it on it. Right? It's quite simple. And also, because it is a database, you can shift the data like what you want to read, help you to more easy to understand the data, like the group with the project manager, and you can easily see the people, the member who have the like how many projects they have. And also you can group in another way, like the category and also like the project phase. Okay, you can easily see the different phase of the project, like a 3 in planning and 5 in execution. And you can also shift the data, project data into Kanban view, and then you can easily to drag it to shift it to different views, to different project phase, and you can generate, one-click generate the Gantt view and easily to check the progress of the project. And then you can also expand the record to see the detail of the project, and then click on the image to see what happened in more details. You can also one-click to generate the gallery to see the project assets, and then easy to arrange the mode. It's quite smooth here. And also, you can click, you connect to the API, make all the data here connect with your other systems in your business. It's quite easy and simple. And also, you can use the widget to generate like different kinds of widget center here. You can use the chart, pivot table. Okay, for example, the chart here to make you more easy to understand the data and what happened. And for example, like the project manager, you can easily see who got how many projects and also in what kind of project phase. And then we provide you different theme color, you can just change them. You can just choose them here. Okay, it's quite cool. The user interface is quite comfortable. The data, you can also create a dashboard and then use the dashboard to master all the project, how's it going, and how the customer status, how the members doing, are they doing things well. Let's get back to the project.